Did you know one man escaped from French prison by helicopter 3 separate times? Pascal Payette pulled off his first escape in 2001. A helicopter landed in the prison yard. He climbed aboard and vanished into the sky. But he didn't stop there. While still a fugitive, he organized a second helicopter operation. Not for himself this time. He sent the chopper to a different prison to break out 3 of his accomplices. He planned the whole thing from the outside. Authorities eventually caught him again. Then, in 2007, it happened a 3rd time. Another helicopter. Another rooftop escape. French guards watched him disappear through the roof once more. The same man. The same method. 3 times. French authorities had to face an uncomfortable truth. They kept catching Pascal Payette, and they kept losing him the exact same way. After his 3rd escape, Interpol got involved. He was finally recaptured in Spain later that year. Some criminals are bold. Payette just kept proving that no one was watching the sky.